Welcome to Budapest, Hungary's captivating capital, where history and culture converge to create an enchanting journey for travelers. Join us on a voyage through Budapest's iconic landmarks, rich heritage, and the experiences that make it a true gem of Europe. Our adventure begins at the historic Buda Castle, where cobbled streets win through centuries of stories. Marvel at the Parliament building's grandeur, and soak in the rejuvenating waters of Széchenyi copyright Széchenyi Thermal Bath. Explore architectural wonders like the Hungarian State Opera House, a masterpiece of neoclassical design. Dive into Budapest's culinary scene at the Great Market Hall, where flavors and aromas dance in the air. Sail along the Danube River for a romantic cruise, where Budapest's illuminated skyline paints a mesmerizing picture. Discover the unique charm of ruined bars, where history meets nightlife. Immerse yourself in Budapest's cultural delights, with events like the Budapest International Documentary Festival and the Budapest Wine Festival. Experience the city's thriving arts scene. Escape to the tranquility of Margaret Island, an oasis in the heart of the city, or hike to the Indulge copyright hill citadel for panoramic views. Budapest's connection with nature is a true wonder. As the sun sets and Budapest's lights illuminate, the city's charm takes center stage. It's a moment of magic, reflection, and an invitation to explore this European treasure. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, a music lover, or a nature explorer, Budapest welcomes you with open arms. Hit that like button, share the beauty with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more captivating travel content.